Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Gemini to create PowerPoint slides. Let's get started. First, open Google and search for Google Gemini. Then, press enter and click on the official Gemini website. Once Gemini opens, type or paste a prompt describing the type of PowerPoint presentation you want to create. Be as specific as possible so Gemini can generate better slides. Now, click on the plus button next to the chat box. From the drop-down menu, select the Canvas option. This will enable Gemini to create your presentation in a slide format. After selecting Canvas, press Enter to send your prompt. Gemini will now begin generating your PowerPoint slides. This may take a few minutes depending on the length of your presentation. Once the slides are ready, you can preview them on the screen. If you want to change the content, add more slides, or edit any section, simply type your request, and Gemini will update the presentation for you. After you're satisfied with the final result, click on the Download option. Gemini will prepare your presentation for download. Wait a few moments, and the PowerPoint file will be downloaded successfully to your computer. You can now open the presentation in Microsoft PowerPoint and make any additional edits if needed. And that's it. If you liked the video, like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more helpful tutorials.